positive energy break. Hi friends, this is Ziggy, the playful puppy who brings positivity into every situation. Today we're taking a quick break to wiggle, stretch, and feel great. You can follow along with us. Ready to move with Ziggy? Tail wiggle warm-up. Let's begin by sitting on your Ziggy Bubble Plush. Keep your feet on the ground and move your hips gently from side to side, like a happy puppy wagging its tail. Feel Ziggy moving with you. Let's take 3 puppy breaths while we wag. In through your nose and out. 2 more. In through your nose and out. In through your nose and out. Puppy ear flops. Let's stand up nice and tall with Ziggy in front of you. Take a big breath in and fold forward slowly, placing your hands gently on your bubble plush. Feel the stretch in your legs. Now it's time to flop those ears. Sweep one arm up to the sky like a floppy ear. Then switch and lift the other one. Let your arms wiggle side to side. 1, 2, great job! Puppy walk. Next, let's sit down on the ground with Ziggy in front of you. We're going to take Ziggy for a little walk. Ready? Roll Ziggy forward slowly. Feel that stretch in your arms and back. Take a deep breath in, just like a puppy sniffing the air. Now roll Ziggy to one side. Take another big sniffy breath, then roll him to the other side. Let's do it one more time to each side. Sniff, stretch, and roll. Ziggy loves how you move today. Give one last gentle hug and say,
I am playful, I am positive.
Thanks for taking this break with us. We'll see you next time.
Bubble Plush!